This one from your ticket admirer, and she wanted to say how much she loves you.
What?
Oh my God, do you not understand?
No, I really don't understand.
Okay, I speak clearly.
Alright.
Okay. Jewel. Secret.
I what?
Secret. What language you speak? I speak many languages.
Okay, how many languages do you speak then?
How many do you speak?
I speak a few.
Huh? No, I don't understand you. You make no sense now.
Alright then, you wanna speak Spanish to me then?
I try, you know. I know so many languages, it's hard to remember one.
It's so hard to remember. That completely makes sense.
Oh, you think so? I thought so too. I'm glad we're on the same page, my brother. You are black. You are black, right?
What?
Are you black?
Of course I'm black.
Okay, your secret admirer, she black too.
No, I'm not black.
She lied.
Yeah, I'm right.
Oh my God! Oh my God! I'm going to move on!
Sure. I like your accent, by the way.
You let me have some what?
Your accent, by the way.
I don't understand what you say. Say slow. Oh, you like, oh, thank you. I know.
You're the person on the background laughing, right? So.
Oh, that's my stomach growling. That's my stomach growling.
Okay. Sure.
Hi, so what you do?
What?
What do you do?
What do I do?
Because your secret admirer, she very pretty, you must have a job. I hope at least you're 22.
Oh, I really don't understand you.
Okay, I talk slower. Okay, here I go. How old you be?
How old am I?
How old you be? That's what I said.
I'm 10.
Are you 10?
Yeah,
Your secret admirer is 20.
of course.
Are you a girl?
What?
Are you a girl?
Do I sound like a girl to you?
You never know these days.
No,
There's tiny little girls that talk like big men. Okay?
sure.
I mean, come on. You go to school. You know what I mean.
Elementary school, though.
Well, there's little she's running around there too. Don't discriminate. There's little people all around.
Sure. You're funny.
Oh, you think so? Oh, thank you.
No, actually, yes, I think so. Because you have the balls to prank call me.
I do have balls, and I did prank out you.
No, but actually I'm having fun, so I won't kick your ass.
This is not a prank. Well, I don't know why you say prank call. I mean, I call you, but it's no prank.
Okay then. If it wasn't a prank call, then you'd be calling with your number.